Ever wondered how to make money from home with minimal effort? What if I told you that you could write and publish children's ebooks in just a few hours using the power of AI? No complicated tools, no experience required. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful, engaging children's books from scratch, all with the help of AI and tools like ChatGPT and Canva. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a new creative outlet, stick around because this could be your next passive income stream. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashraf Ali, an accountant turned entrepreneur and someone who has had incredible success in the digital world in recent years. Today, I'm excited to show you how anyone can use AI to create and sell children's ebooks. No tech skills, no problem. I'll break it down step by step so you can start making money right away. Let's talk about why using AI to write children's ebooks is such a powerful way to generate passive income. Traditionally, writing a book takes months, but with AI, you can create a fully fleshed out story in just a few hours. Plus, the children's book market is always in demand. Once your book is created, it can sell on platforms like Amazon KDP 24/7, earning you money while you sleep. AI handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the fun stuff like choosing the story, designing the book, and watching the sales roll in. Ready to dive in? Here's exactly how you can write children's books using AI in just a few hours. Head over to ChatGPT and prompt it to create 10 rhyming children's book titles. Rhyming stories are always a hit with kids and easy to write. You'll get a list of potential book titles. Pick the title you like best. Let's say you choose Benny the Bee and the Big Oak Tree. Confirm the title with ChatGPT and ask it to generate a 6-chapter outline to your book based on that title. Now ask ChatGPT to expand out each chapter, making sure it rhymes, ensuring the book has a clear beginning, middle, and an ending. You'll see how effortlessly AI builds your story. You can tweak it if you would like to add your own flavor or humor to the story. Make sure it's something that you're proud of. Okay, this step is crucial. Copy and paste the entire text into ChatGPT again and ask if any part of it is plagiarized. If anything is flagged, have the AI modify it to ensure originality. By the end of this process, you'll have a complete children's story ready for the next step. Now that your story is done, it's time to design your book. Don't worry, you don't need to be a design expert. Canva, a free design tool, will help you turn your story into a professional looking ebook. Head to Canva and select one of their pre-made ebook templates. They've got plenty of styles to match the theme of your book. Customize the cover with your title and relevant images. The cover is your book's first impression, so make sure it stands out. Canva provides page layouts for adding text and images. Simply paste the chapters you've written into the templates. Use fun fonts and playful colors to make the book visually appealing for kids. Here's where AI really shines. You can use AI tools to generate illustrations that perfectly match your story. Go to ChatGPT 4. You can sign up for free and find the DALL-E feature. This AI can generate custom images based on your prompts. For instance, if your story is about a bee, you can ask DALL-E to create cute bee illustrations for each chapter according to each section of the story. Once the images are ready, upload them back to Canva and insert them into the appropriate places in your story. This adds a professional, polished look to your children's book. Your children's book is ready. Now it's time to publish and sell it. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a platform that allows you to publish ebooks for free. Just sign up, upload your PDF, and set your price. KDP handles distribution, payments, and even customer service. Once your book is live, promote it through social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. share previews, behind the scenes content and illustrations to attract buyers. And there you have it. In just a few hours, you can create a children's ebook using AI and start selling it for passive income. But don't stop there. It's never safe to rely on one source of income. If one fails, you'll need another to fall back on. That's why you should click on this video here, where I explain how you can start making money instantly with these top 5 money making apps. Click on it and I'll see you over there. And thanks for watching.